Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use a Visa card on the Shein application. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone, and after doing that guys, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Shein application, where you can see the shop with all the items that you can buy. So here at the bottom of the page you can see all the sections and pages you have, such as the shop section. Here we have the category, the new section, cart, profile option, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to use a Visa card when buying on Shein. Well guys, it's very easy to do, and the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find what we want to buy. So guys, go ahead and find the items that you want to buy, go ahead to any section, just open up the item that you want to buy and click to add to cart. After adding to cart guys, everything that you want and you're ready to proceed to checkout, you can go ahead and click the cart option right here in the upper right corner. Click on cart guys, and here you can see all the items you're purchasing, and we can go ahead and proceed to checkout by clicking the checkout button right here. After clicking on checkout guys, this will now take us to this new page where we can see our payment method. So you can go ahead and select a payment method, either to pay by PayPal, or you can select to credit card or debit card usage. So guys, we want to go ahead and select the second option, which is credit debit card, and then click the add a new card option right here. Click on add new card, and here you can enter in your card details. You can use a Visa, and after that guys, just click on confirm and you can go ahead and place your order using your Visa card. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.